Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite team members to Gather. First, open Gather in your web browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, open the workspace where you want to invite your teammates. In this example, I have already opened my virtual office. Once you're inside the workspace, you may see a window called Let's Bring in Your Team. This window gives you different ways to invite people to your workspace. The first option is Invite by email. If you know your teammate's email address, click this button and enter their email. Gather will send them an invitation to join your workspace. The second option is Invite by link. This is the fastest and easiest method. Click Invite by link to generate a shareable invitation link. After the link appears, click Copy link to copy it to your clipboard. Now you can send this invitation link using WhatsApp, Messenger, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Discord, Gmail, or any other messaging or email service. When your teammates receive the link, they simply open it in their browser, sign in to Gather if needed, and join your workspace. After they join, you'll be able to see them inside the virtual office. On the right side of the screen, the Members panel displays everyone who is currently in the workspace. As more people join, their names will appear in this list. Gather is a great platform for remote teams because everyone can work together in the same virtual office. Team members can move around, meet in different rooms, join discussions, and collaborate in a more interactive way than a standard video meeting. Whenever you need to invite another person, you can use the same invitation options again and share a new or existing invite link with them. And that's how you can invite team members to Gather. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials and helpful technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.